But first, before we go into this video, I want to show you guys a video that arguably changed my life.
Hey guys, my name is Ben Pasternak. I'm the CEO of Flug.
You heard that right. The Australian teen is a tech tycoon, dropped out of high school and left his home in Australia, including his parents, to move to New York City to become his generation's Mark Zuckerberg. Being CEO at 16 has already made Ben a bit of a celebrity.
I was just in bed one morning and my phone buzzed and boom, Justin Bieber is now following you on Twitter. I unfortunately don't follow Justin Bieber back, but he follows me.
I found that video when I was 14, and at that time, the person was 18 years old, and I loved that video. That video was one of those things that inspired me. And I'm very happy that at the point I am now, 18 years old, I have a business. I know it's not actually like $1 million, but we are getting there. And that's actually what I want you guys to do. I want us to create a community of people who are independently minded, who want growth, who is obsessed with growth as I am. And if you're part of that, kindly click the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm not going to say that I'm perfect, but you know what, if I'm perfect? But when I was younger, I would come up with business ideas and just be like, Facebook meets Tinder, or this meets this. And it actually does not work like that. You end up making a product and then start looking for buyers. But it should actually be the other way around. Notice a problem and then make a product that solves that problem better. You don't make a product and then start looking for use cases. You end up making something pretty useless. The way to do this is actually to make a business plan. Have a business plan detailed. Actually, sign up for a course, 40,000 naira. Know my business on the last video, you know what I do. And she actually told us to make a business plan, and making it actually brought more light to my business. It gave me more vision, more focus, gives you the next steps, etc. I've been making a video with a bunch of resources, apps, and etc. that teen entrepreneurs or any entrepreneur actually needs. And if you want that video, please kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Just stop the jealousy. Jealousy is not going to get you anywhere. I'm telling you the truth, seriously. And whenever you see someone that's doing good thing, please ask this question: what is it about this that impresses me, that caught to my eye, etc.? Because at that point, you actually be dissecting the set product, and then you would be getting meaningful insights to add to yours. But if you go in with jealousy blocks inspiration. You just end up making competitive products, actually understanding why he or she created this product, the laying thoughts that went in through the production process. If you actually sit down and dissect things, it will make you create even better. Remember, good artists steal and great artists evolve. I don't know if that's correct, but whatever. A good crash course on equity is that equity is something that you can exchange at any time for money, and that's actually what you should be seeking for henceforth, because it's going to help your business. Equity can be people, equity can be intellectual property. Very good type of equity that I love is connection. I don't go out anywhere. I don't remember any day I don't get one contact in my WhatsApp. And if you know, most of my business comes from WhatsApp, and I'll be making videos on that also. I can't remember one day I've not made one connection, one friend, etc. And actually making friends wisely. Why I'm including this is because money is easily accessible. Everybody is searching for the bag. And since everybody is searching for the bag, it means that quite pointless and very competitive, and it is time bound. So instead of making money once, getting equity actually helps you create money or make money numerous amounts of time. Since everybody is going for the bag, it's better to get the people that are having the bags and then steal the bags from them numerous times. Yes, that makes sense. If you've done that, I would want you to recognize this. If you don't take anything from this video, you have a lot of time. Perfection actually shouldn't be something you look forward to. You have time to make messes. You have time to fuck things up. You have time to You have time to do bad. You have time to undo them and redo, etc. Perfection, like I said in my last video, is an illusion. If you don't get started, you won't know if you're going to lose or win. So have this in mind and prosper. Advertisement is crucial. I don't know if it's advertisement or advertisement. Anyway, just showing yourself to somebody. You can't keep selling your product to the same status viewers, the same set of people. You need fresh eyeballs. Yeah, some people come in with things like need to spend on advertisement, that you need good press and etc. But you're forgetting that most of the brands you use as example have strategies that they are using in place of all this. First off, Tesla, they don't do advertisement, but find out that Elon Musk is super influential. He has a lot of following, so his following alone can cover the company's advertisements, etc. He has Twitter. What else? And they don't have a PR team, doesn't matter as long as Elon Musk is there. And we talk about Apple. Apple actually does advertisement, so just shut up and do advertisement. Apple actually endorses their product. They give their product to influencers to test out. The more eyeballs that you see, the more referrals you could possibly get. Advertisement, you need to separate your finances. I have a different account for my finances, and I also have a different account for my business. My business account comes Gifts by Sapphire. It has a bank number, it has my name written boldly on it. If my personal account gets checked at the end of the month, and the reason is that someone who's going to give you millions and billions won't pay the money into your personal account. Why? Because you are going to run away. Businesses that have their names written as the business name, they invoke a lot of trust. Because for you to create a business account, you need CAC and all these registrations to record how much you make. You have to record the income and outcomes. And the app I use for it is Keeper. Keeper is a Nigerian app. I love this a lot. Nigerian app. Keeper lets you make invoices from the app. And invoices is another posh thing I think I will start very soon. You need to start making invoices, but most importantly, bookkeeping. You need to know if you are profitable enough. You need to know how much ads you should be making. And you cannot start if you don't keep records. Download the Keeper app immediately and start keeping records. Last but not the least is just to tell your story. There was a course I signed up for of recent, just yesterday. The woman was saying in the letter that at this point now, information does not only separate you. Information can be gotten anywhere. There is nothing else you think you have that no one else can't have except for your personality. You need to have a voice, authenticity, show your face more in your business. Most people can copy your artwork, they can copy your videos, etc., but they won't copy you. If you begin to show yourself in your business, etc., people will buy from you not because of the products or whatever, but because of they like you and they would want to get something from you. They would want to do you a favor. And that's actually what made me start this YouTube channel. But if I happen to become a bit influential, have a little bit of followers, trusted fans, I could actually better my business more. And the Elon Musk, you know what I said about Elon Musk? He has his own personality, strong-headed, etc. And you see the wonders it's doing for Tesla. Most people would buy Tesla because of Elon Musk. Click the next video to go watch a video I made about a problem that is plaguing all business owners, especially those who have their business more founded on